Welcome to the series Making the Impossible Possible. Today I'm going to show you how to propagate bananas at home without any superpowers. Grab a bunch of bananas because we're about to dive into the world of banana propagation. First step, cut off the top of the banana bunch. You might be thinking, what's so special about that? But trust me, this is just the beginning of a journey, a very bananas journey. Next, slice them lengthwise like you're opening a door to see the inner soul of the banana. Oh, inside looks just like the outside. But hey, don't let that discourage you. Now get 2 cups of clean water ready. Water is super important. Just like when you're thirsty, your banana plant needs water to survive. And don't accidentally drink from these cups, okay? Guess what's next? Surprise! We've got 2 onions. Sounds weird, right? But yep, bananas and onions, a new dynamic duo. Just chop the onions up and drop them into the cups of water. I know you're thinking, what the heck is this? Zerania. But trust me, the results will blow your mind. And now, we wait. After 10 minutes, the onion will start doing its thing. Onions don't just make you cry, they're also miracle workers for banana propagation. Now take the 2 banana pieces and fix them into the onion water cups using toothpicks. No, this isn't a picnic, but you're about to be amazed by the results. Then pour more water to cover the bananas. We're creating a perfect little ecosystem for our bananas to sprout roots. Don't worry, your bananas will know what to do. But wait, there's more. Place 2 more cups on top to create a sealed environment. Nothing beats giving your bananas the VIP treatment, right? Now we wait 30 more days. In the meantime, you can go for a walk, read a book, or watch more of my videos. But don't forget about the banana cups waiting to sprout. And now, ta-da! After 30 days, the bananas have grown roots. But wait, there's more. An unexpected guest appears. It's chili peppers. A real magic trick thanks to our friend the onion. Gently take the rooted banana out and plant it in soil. Remember, treat the banana like a VIP because it's about to become the star of your garden. Next up, water it regularly. Just like you need coffee every morning, the banana needs water to survive, so make sure it stays hydrated. That's it. You've successfully propagated a banana. Give yourself a pat on the back and don't forget to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.